Kaya kung natay malimtan siya, makita na nimo si Mugidimo siya.
Assuming na naay amo. Okay. Clearing the light machine gun. Move the selector to fire mode. Safe fire. Naka-fire na. With the right hand palm up, pull the charging handle. Move the selector to safe. Assist push the charging handle forward. Open the cover and feed tray mechanism. Tapos check the feed pole, 5-point check. The feed tray, check the chamber, wala bala. Space sa bolt, wala. Tapos sa magazine well, wala bala. Then i-close ang feed tray and ang cover feed mechanism. Move the selector to fire mode, safe fire. Tapos move the with the right hand palm up, pull the charging handle, assist the charging handle forward while simultaneously pressing the trigger. The weapon is now clear. Tapos ang next is perform function check. With the right hand palm up to the charging handle, move the selector to save, push the charging handle forward, pull the trigger. Dapat dili siya mag-fire. So okay siya, nag-function ang safe. The next, with the right hand palm up, pull the charging handle, move the selector to fire, assist the charging handle forward while squeezing the trigger. So normal ang firing mode niya. So yun ang performing functions check. To load the mini or the K3, first is push the safe, butang sa fire mode, ito na yan. Then pull the charging handle to the rear, push the charging handle, put to safe, and then open the feed tray cover mechanism, place the ammo, sunny side down, tapos align yung first round sa barrel, hold it, tapos i-close ang cover and feed tray mechanism, tapos place ang first round yun, tapos i-close ang feed tray cover. So naka-save siya. So kung mag-fire, butang lang sa fire mode, squeeze, mag-fire siya. Thank you.
Fire na.
And then in case ng how to perform immediate action, so pag nag-fire, nag-stop mag-fire, so pull the charging handle, observe kung unsay nilagpot. Unfired round, so meaning hindi nagputok yung bala. Then push the charging handle, then squeeze again. So yun yung immediate action din sa machine gun. Thank you. So clear. Okay, isa niya.
Wala siyang proper gid sir. Wala na.
Ito lang ginagawa.
Wala yang sir. Wala sa proper.